China is a vast country renowned for its diverse natural beauty, rich environmental heritage, and rapidly growing tourism industry. From towering mountains and tranquil rivers to vibrant cities and ancient cultural sites, China offers a unique blend of natural wonders and cultural experiences. This diversity makes it one of the most attractive destinations for both domestic and international tourists. China's landscape is among the most varied in the world. It features majestic mountains, such as the Himalayas, Tian Shan, and Huangshan each, with its own distinct charm. Mount Everest, the world's highest peak, sits on the border between China and Nepal. Huangshan, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is famous for its misty peaks, twisted pine trees, and ancient granite rocks. The country is home to spectacular rivers like the Yangtze and Yellow River, which have shaped its history, culture, and economy for millennia. The Li River in Guilin, with its karst formations, is one of the most photographed natural sceneries in China and a popular destination for river cruises and hiking. China also boasts lush forests, colorful lakes, deserts, and coastal regions. Zhangjiajie National Forest Park, known for its floating stone pillars, inspired the setting of the movie Avatar. Zhujiagu Valley in Sichuan Province dazzles visitors with its turquoise lakes, waterfalls, and snow-capped peaks. With rapid industrialization, China has faced significant environmental challenges, including air and water pollution, deforestation, and climate change impacts. Major cities like Beijing and Shanghai have suffered from smog, prompting government action. In recent years, the Chinese government has made substantial efforts toward environmental protection and sustainable development. Policies promoting reforestation, clean energy, and eco-friendly tourism have been implemented. Large-scale projects like the Grain for Green program and the development of national parks reflect China's commitment to reversing ecological damage. China is investing heavily in renewable energy, particularly in solar and wind power, and has pledged to achieve carbon neutrality by 2060. These measures aim not only to combat climate change, but also to preserve the nation's breathtaking natural heritage. Tourism is a major economic driver in China. The country receives hundreds of millions of domestic tourists annually and continues to attract millions of foreign visitors. The tourism sector spans nature-based travel, heritage tourism, adventure tourism, and urban sightseeing. Natural attractions such as the Great Wall, the Yangtze River cruises, and Tibet's plateau landscapes are popular among tourists. Regions like Yunnan, Xinjiang, and Inner Mongolia offer ethnic diversity, unique landscapes, and outdoor adventure opportunities. Ecotourism is gaining popularity, with travelers seeking sustainable experiences in remote and pristine environments. To support tourism, China has invested in transportation infrastructure, including high-speed rail, airports, and eco-friendly accommodations in national parks and scenic areas. China's natural beauty is as vast and varied as its history and culture. While environmental challenges persist, the government's focus on conservation and sustainable tourism is helping to preserve its ecological treasures. As a result, China continues to rise as a global destination for travelers seeking awe-inspiring landscapes and culturally rich experiences.